Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E47 error and you're trying to figure out what is this E47 error and is there anything I can do to fix it. So first of all, the E47 error is that the inverter control board, which drives the motor, is overheating. And the reason it's going to overheat 99% of the time is not because the inverter control board itself overheats, but because the motor that it's next to is making it overheat. So what you want to do is figure out why that there's so much heat being created, and a couple of things could be happening. First thing, you want to just make sure that you haven't overloaded your washer and that the drum is turning freely. Because if you're overloaded your washer or there's something preventing your drum from turning freely, it can overwork that motor and cause excess heat. If it's not that, then it's really going to be one of two things. It's either going to be the inverter itself that has an issue or the motor that has an issue that's overheating. So it might be the wiring to them, or you might need to replace the inverter control board because something's wrong with the sensors that's making it thinks it's overheating, or that maybe your drive motor is just getting old and not working as efficiently, and so it's producing too much heat, and you just need to replace the drive motor.